Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, and today I'll be talking about the top 3 social media websites for graphic designers. So be it if you are a budding graphic designer, if you're still a student who's just graduated from university, or if you are someone who already has a lot of work experience, it works for both these people as well, both these people. So surprisingly, it's not Instagram, even though Instagram is a really good platform to showcase your skills, to showcase your work, and use the appropriate hashtags to attract more clients. But apart from Instagram, the top 3 social media websites would be Facebook, Google Plus, and LinkedIn. The reason why I've chosen these 3 websites is because they usually have a smaller business group who are likely to be your future clients, right? So for example, this LinkedIn page right here of a famous graphic designer, Kate Moroz. So if for example, I see her work up on Instagram and I quite like the work that she does, and I look her up on LinkedIn, I can see exactly where all she has worked in, all her experiences and her education, and sometimes even if I want to connect with her, I can directly message her here on LinkedIn, or sometimes they even have contact info as well, where you can look at their different websites, their Twitter handle, and what some graphic designers will also do is that they'll add their email ID at the end as well. So it becomes a lot easier for future clients to get in touch with them and strike a business deal with them, be it a full-time job or even for a freelance work as well. Similarly, over here for Facebook as well, if I look her up on Facebook, though I do not have a Facebook account, so that's why just please ignore this one. So you can see that she's added her website right here, and you can check her out and etc. So you can look her up for Facebook as well. And of course, majority of graphic designers, they do have an Instagram page as well, where you can directly DM them and get in touch with them as well. So what happens is, especially here in LinkedIn, is that you want to, in case you really want your clients to contact you, you want them to go through your portfolio, go through your profile and see what type of work they do, right? So in order to do that, another way to also grab their attention is that upon LinkedIn, such as here, you can post different kinds of content, like why bad design affect a good company, or if you've designed a new logo, or if you've updated your website or portfolio, you can add the link as a post on LinkedIn, which will attract customers to your profile, and they will contact you for a job or a freelancing work as well. Right. So graphic designers would often prioritize what they like and how they behave, instead of thinking about where their clients usually are and how to communicate their value to them. You have to market yourselves in a way where your design clients are likely to be. So please don't restrict yourself just on Instagram. So highly recommend that you make your own account, your design account, probably up on LinkedIn, and so that it becomes a lot easier for clients to also see where you've studied, what all areas you're really good at, in case if people have endorsed you in any particular skill, and also see where all you have worked in as well. So again, these type of social media does also act as a background check as well. so that the clients will have a much more better idea where all you have studied and where all you have worked with, etc. So that's about it. So I hope you liked this video and I hope you found this useful as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.